Hello guys, good day. By the way, this video po pala is about kung bakit hindi tayo eligible when claiming coins. By the way, I'm making this video kasi may isang account ako, Shopee account, na napansin ko hindi siya eligible kapag nagki-claim ako ng coins. Samantalang itong account na gamit ko ngayon, nasa video is eligible naman siya. So, may nakalagay po dito na, number 1, this activity is only available for selected Shopee accounts now. So, meaning hindi lahat. You may lose access to the activity after switching to accounts which are not eligible. So napaka-clear po ng sinabi, hindi dapat tayo mag-switch ng ibang account, especially yung mga hindi eligible. So when I click yung more details naman, on the same page nakita nyo kanina, yung more details sa ibaba. When I clicked it, na-route naman ako dito sa terms and condition for Shopee Rewards. So dito under eligibility, under eligibility it says only individuals with registered, valid, and verified Shopee accounts are entitled to participate in the program. So napakaklaro o clear, no? For example, yung isang account nyo, walang KYC, hindi verified yung KYC. Yung KYC meaning especially yung Shopee Pay, yan yung KYC nyo. If the Shopee Pay is not verified, so wag na kayong mag-expect na makakapag-claim kayo ng coins. And as you can see under number 6, possible din po na ma-restrict or maalis yung access due to fraudulent activities. Kayo na lang po yung bumasa. And one moment. Ayan, punta tayo dito sa pinakaibaba, under miscellaneous. Ayan, dito nyo makikita kung ano yung mga fraudulent activities na sinasabi. So, users are not allowed to participate in the Shopee video and live rewards when engaging in activities that are not in accordance with the terms and condition or with fraudulent intent. Ayan, andyan yung list. Basahin nyo lang po lahat. And if you think na wala po sa lahat ng nabanggit, wala sa terms and condition, you may reach out kay Shopee Customer Service for more assistance.